Welcome to the microscopic world of cells. There is no cell reception here and no selfies are allowed. But other than that, there is a lot to learn and do. We will need a guide on this tour. Maybe we should take one of those red blood cells with us. Our objective is to study the different shapes of cells and their functions. A pond, though it looks quite still at the surface, is actually buzzing with life inside it. A look at aquatic life shows the presence of numerous amoebae. These are unicellular animals which have no fixed shape. They move around with the help of pseudopodia, which are extensions of the protoplasm. When amoeba comes in contact with a food particle, it forms pseudopodia in that direction and engulfs the food. We also observe some green spherical cells, some of which are single, some in pairs, while others form groups called colonies. These are algae. A closer look at an algal cell shows that it possesses numerous green pigments containing structures called chloroplasts. These help them to absorb sunlight and facilitate photosynthesis. These green algae are the producers in the aquatic ecosystem. If we zoom out and observe the surface of a lake, we will find numerous floating plants. A magnified view of the leaf surface shows the presence of epidermal cells and numerous round-shaped openings. These are the stomata. A closer look of the stomata shows that it is made up of a pore in the center and two bean-shaped guard cells surrounding it. These guard cells help in controlling the opening and the closing of the stomata, which help in the gaseous exchange. Even in the human body, there are numerous types of cells. As the body is made transparent, we observe the veins and the arteries. A look inside the artery shows numerous types of blood cells. We observe disc-like biconcave red-colored cells. These are the red blood cells, and their peculiar shape increases their surface area so that they can absorb oxygen more efficiently. Another type of cells seen moving around is the white blood cells. These are irregular in shape and help to engulf the disease-causing microbes. Their shape helps them to form pseudopodia-like structures and quickly capture the microbe, thus protecting the body against diseases. An inside view of the brain shows the presence of numerous elongated cells known as neurons. They are long, thus help in transmission of impulses from one part of the brain to the other. Having a closer look at a single neuron, we observe that it has a cell body and a long tail-like structure known as an axon. A recap will help us remember that each cell has a specific shape which helps it to perform its function efficiently. Amoeba, however, has no fixed shape and size, which helps it in feeding. Algae form spherical colonies. The leaf shows stomata, which is shaped like a bean and is suited for the function of gaseous exchange. In humans, the red blood cells are biconcave and disc-shaped and can absorb oxygen, which is carried to the body cells. The white blood cells are amoeboid-shaped and help to capture the microbes. The nerve cells are long and transmit impulses efficiently from one part of the body to another. There are about 30 trillion cells in your body, so it is safe to assume that they will come in all shapes and sizes. But what about the smaller or unicellular organisms? Do their cells differ from ours? Keep watching to find out.